At a recent meeting of Arnprior Council, Mayor David Reid made a presentation about the growth of the community, and I caught up with him just to talk about what he feels the community is doing correct and how it can be sustained.
Arnprior continues to be one of the fastest growing communities in Ontario. And in Campbellbrook Village, as an example, there's 180 new units built there. There's 80 units under construction. In Callahan Estates, 70 new units built, 300 are under construction, phased in over a period of time. Village Creek, 230 units built and 50 units under construction. That's nearing completion. And we have draft approval on Madawaska Boulevard for 280 units. So providing the economy stays robust, I expect that we will continue with that growth pattern over the next coming years. We have 2 new affordable senior housing apartments. One is complete and one is under construction. And we've had a major redevelopment of the Arnprior Mall Canadian Tire site, which is ongoing, but it's been a fabulous improvement to that facility, and we look forward to that.
Well, I think certainly our proximity to the city does help, and the 4 lanes coming through Arnprior a few years ago has contributed to that as well. But we have a beautiful town, sits on the Madawaska and Ottawa rivers, and we have been and continue to be one of the faster growing communities in Eastern Ontario. And I really don't see that changing. We have a number of existing developments where the developers are moving forward with plans, and we have a number of new subdivisions coming on stream there now. So, if anything, I can see the activity we've seen in the last 10 years actually increasing.
For Coach Go News in Arnprior, I'm Richard Levoy.